so many Teslas here. This is a supercharging station too, so that kind of makes sense. They even have a handicap one for this. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. While our Tesla charges, we're gonna go get some smoothies. Tom pointed out there's a tropical smoothie cafe somewhere nearby, so thank goodness, because you ain't at the beach till you had a smoothie. We're heading there sometime later. We're just gonna charge up our vehicle first. But man, there's so many Teslas there. Insane. This is the fit for today. I feel like the shirt is very fitting for today's activity. And then also with the swimming trunks. Oh yeah, we got Stingray swimming trunks. We vibing out here in Miami. What even is that?
Turkey duck?
That's a turkey duck. You got it. That thing took off. Watch out for alligators. There's no AC in the back seat for Ton, so Sean and I fixed the problem.
Ingenuity.
Ingenuity. Modern world problems require modern world solutions. That's right. This is the day we live in. Day and age we live in. You got a breeze? Like, you can feel it?
Can you see it?
Oh yeah, it's here. Oh my. Let's go. On our way to the shark reservation. We're about an hour away. And I'm a free dive with sharks, which means uncaged. Also, we can't pee because pee attracts sharks, apparently. So. No peeing allowed.
Can I poop?
I think you can poop. See you there. See how quick this thing is.
Instant torque.
Instant torque. It's still in chill mode?
No.
See how quick it is.
Alright, yeah.
I'm gonna pause the music to listen to this engine roar.
This is, I want to hear.
Let's hear that battery go.
Jeez. Gosh.
Here goes our battery. We're done.
Alright, we arrived at our destination. Storm is rolling in, a pretty heavy storm. We got the ocean, nice blue sky this direction, and then we got the storm behind us, and it's gonna be pretty bad. I'm expecting a delay. We have a 3-hour block off, and then we get guaranteed a minimum of 1 hour out on the ocean with the sharks. But with this storm, you know, can't control it. Kind of sucks. It's whatever. Waiting for that storm to roll in and cause mayhem.
The goal is to go see some sharks, so we're gonna drop that crate of fish right there, right into their living room. We're gonna be in about 100 feet of water, 4 miles offshore, so and because right after that it starts dropping off really quick, so that.
I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. If I am to change this image, I must first change myself. Are friends, not food.
I have no idea where we're at. But this looks a little bit too bougie for me. Ooh. Starbucks everywhere. Anyways, I took a nap and woke up in Palm Beach. I think plan is right now the Tesla needed a charge and they got here at 5%. Slow charger. We're gonna get some grub real quick, and then whenever it gets charged enough, hopefully when we get back to the parking garage, that we can head to a supercharger, which should charge roughly about 200 times faster than the one we're at here. But this was the nearest one before our car died. So that's the plan. Get some grub, probably look around for some shopping and such. But I'm tired. That shark diving took a lot of energy out of me. Hey y'all, our scooter trip got cut short because we're on a time crunch now. We just went to Ross. They still need to supercharge the car at a supercharging station, and then they're gonna, well, they had to pick up some clothes. They needed to buy some new clothes to go to the club, and while they're at the club, I'm gonna be at the crib doing nothing. But I did buy some clothes. I just started grabbing stuff I liked just because I could. Oh, look at him. Did you make some good purchases?
Good find, good find.
Good find.
Good
Good
find.
find, good sir.
Good find.
Oh god. He's happy. I'm happy. Hey, we back at the crib now. And by we, I mean me. It's one man party right now. Everyone else is out and about. Plan for tomorrow is wake up. Yeah, no, that's a good start, waking up. And then I guess packing up our stuff, heading out by 11. But for me, I leave a little bit earlier than everyone else. So my flight is earlier than everyone else. I'll be heading to Nashville, Tennessee, spending the night there at a motel and such, and then taking a rental car and everything to Springfield, and then Branson, then Kimberling, and then the lake. So go, go, go for me. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys loved the videos as much as I did with the sharks and just swimming with them and watching those powerful beasts do their thing in their natural habitat. They're honestly misunderstood creatures. I mean, it's still scary, don't get me wrong, but they're totally misunderstood. They said on average they get maybe 5 sharks per trip. They go out and they go between 3 to 5 trips every day. And we saw about 17 sharks at one time. Yeah, it was pretty intimidating. Ton actually managed to touch one with his fin on accident. That was pretty cool, but they got pretty close. Too close for comfort for me and for Nia. Nia, he was just, man, he's like a gorilla in water. Crazy. Smash that like button or just softly click it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.